Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a flicker transition effect inside Premiere Pro. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm currently on the All Panels workspace. Alright, so if you want to go there, just go here in Window, click on Workspace, and click on All Panels, and we should be on the same workspace. Alright, all we have to do to create a text is to go to File at the top, click on New, and click on Legacy Title. Now let's name it Flicker Text. Alright, click OK. There you go, it's on the project panel, so you just simply drag and drop it in our timeline, make it large. Alright, now we have the Flicker Text here. Just double click it, and then and we already on the text tool, so just click on that, and then let's type Flicker Text. Alright, so let's highlight the text here. Let's choose for any font here. Let's say this one. Alright, and then let's try to make it large by by selecting all or Command A. Alright, and then you go to properties, or you want to make it here in the size. Alright, you can just make it large by just dragging this T. Alright, I'm just making large. Alright, and then if you want to make it in the center, on the right side, there's legacy title actions. Alright, let's try to make it a little bit larger by dragging this blue line, alright, downward. We have the center. Okay, let's click on both. Alright, so it will center vertically and horizontally. The title is already in the middle. Alright, so to create a flicker effect, all we have to do is to go to our timeline. Alright, let's zoom in. Okay, alright, now we can use the arrow key. Alright, so if you press the down arrow, it will go to the very end. If you press the up arrow, it will go to the at the very beginning. Alright, if you go to press the right one, it will go just one frame. Alright, probably you cannot see it because it's small, so I'll try to make it large. Okay, let's try to make it large by pressing the plus sign. Okay, there you go, large enough. Okay, so I'm gonna press the down arrow or up arrow, and then I'm gonna hit the just the right arrow one. All right, and then I'm gonna select this razor tool. I'm gonna cut this. All right, and then select another right arrow, sorry, and then we're gonna select this one more time. All right, and then it will go to our selection tool. All right, and then click on this so that we can delete it. All right, so let's delete that. All right, now if we play it, it will gonna give you like flickering. Right, see that? That was fast flickering. Okay, now we can also go to the last part. All right, by pressing the down arrow. All right, we already navigated the end of our clip, and then we just press the left arrow one. All right, and then let's have a cut. Okay, let's the shortcut for the cut for the razor is letter C. All right, so again, I'm just pressing the letter C right now. Put the cut in there, and then another left arrow, then put another cut in there. All right, and we can just zoom in. All right, so that we can see. I'm just pressing the plus sign, and then we go to selection tool or letter V. All right, selection tool or letter V, and then we select this and then delete it. All right, now if we go to minimize this, all right, let's try to play our timeline. Let's go with the flicker. So it's up to you if you want to create more flicker. Let's try to create more flicker. All right, so let's try to do it here. Let's have, okay, I'm pressing the cut. All right, cut, and then we go another one frame by pressing the right the arrow, and then let's cut it. And then since it's already highlighted, I'm gonna delete that, and then let's go back to the last part, and we go to down here, down arrow. We go to press the left arrow, cut it, and then left arrow again, then cut this one more time, left arrow again, then cut this, left arrow again, then cut that one. All right, now press the letter V for selection tool, and then let's delete this, and also this one, we delete that one. All right, let's try to minimize it, and let's try to see to play the flicker text. All right, there you go, that's the flicker text now. That's how you do the flicker text effect in Premiere Pro. All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.